At first, hindi ko alam that I made people happy. And then I get like messages and letters, mga direct messages na, may mga messages, some people na nagkaroon ng nagkikimo, nawalan ng work, and they're depressed. And then they said, Mom, nung napanood ko kayo, parang, nagkaroon naman ako ng hope na ganyan. At tapos napapasaya niyo ko. And then I go to sleep, masaya ko. Kanina, I was so depressed, I lost my job, pero nanood ako ng there are letters na gano'n ng mga messages. Tapos last week, naiyak nga ako. Kasi there's a letter na gusto na daw niyang mag-end her life. Tapos daw, they said, panoorin mo tong si Miss Small, good vibes. Ha? Ano naman yon? Tapos tinry daw niyang i-click. Wow! Nagkaroon daw siya ng hope sa life. Na-surprise ako. Oh my God, parang, Lord, am I destined to do this, to give joy to people? So parang, I think baka that's my role also, no? Yung parang to give good vibes to other people, magkaroon ng hope. Yeah, that's how I felt now.